Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App free money hack video. Okay, so I know you guys like these videos. I'm gonna keep making them. Today we're looking at another Cash App video. We're gonna check it out, see if it's legit, see if it's a scam. I've been using Cash App and making tutorials on it for years now. So I'm gonna give you my thoughts. We're gonna break it down, see what this thing is all about. And this is the one we're looking at today. And I want to look at this one specifically because this dude stole my thumbnail. So this video is 1 minute 45 seconds. Let's click on it, see what this person is saying. Okay, so this is Swippa Mikey 11, 23K views. Cash App method 2020, not burnt, with bin. I have no idea what that means. So let's click on this, see what it's all about.
What's good, YouTube? I'm coming at y'all with a new video.
This dude is mumbling.
So y'all just hit me up. Here, I'm about to show you.
He's basically saying hit him up on Instagram if you're interested in Cash App money.
They come with live CCs, all that good.
Now he's showing money on PayPal. I don't know why. You know, he's trying to flex his $4,000, trying to flex his $681 on Cash App. So he's saying he has some card. You can just keep adding money until it's burnt out. This is not real. I'm just gonna stop it. This is fake. This dude is just trying to scam you. Don't, no. He's not showing anything.
That's the difference.
He's saying y'all hit me up.
Cars.
He's saying if you want his method, it's gonna cost you. Hit him up on Instagram. Dude, no, like this guy is a scammer. He's saying he has a bunch of different accounts. He sells cars too. I love just watching these and seeing the stupid things that people say. And just think there's people out there like falling for this stuff. It's insane. You know, just because he's showing like these screenshots or whatever on his Instagram, you know, oh, people are messaging me. It doesn't mean anything. It just means that stupid people are messaging him, trying to get free money. They message me all day long and I just don't reply. Cash App method, hit me up. Dude, you think you're gonna get legit free money from a dude that's saying hit me up? Come on now. So this guy is definitely shady. Avoid anything like this. If anyone's getting money on Cash App, they'd be able to show you, you know, they'd open up their Cash App, they'd go right here to the history tab, and it's gonna show everything that they've done. It's gonna show a full history. And if they received money, it's gonna show money came from someone, from something. That's all you would have to do if you actually had a working method for something like this. Because money isn't generated. There is no method. It doesn't appear in your app. It has to come from somewhere. And that history is all going to be documented on the activity screen here. Here's every transaction that's ever happened on my account. So that's it. Don't follow these shady people. Don't pay them. Don't send them any money. If you do, you're just going to lose your money. Also, this dude couldn't even make his own thumbnail. He had to steal mine. Just think about that. That's all for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Check out my channel if you want legit tutorials and videos. How to use Cash App, how to invest your money on Cash App. That's how you're gonna get rich. Invest your money, guys. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.